Unfair credit card merchant fees are out of hand and putting small businesses and jobs at risk. Mr. Speaker, while Walmart announced it will no longer accept Visa, small businesses don't have that luxury. They're left at the mercy of credit card companies and a voluntary code that has failed to protect consumers or small businesses. In opposition, Liberals demanded long overdue action. So why hasn't this Liberal government brought in legislation to stop these unfair fees that are gouging Canadian businesses?
The Honourable Secretary Minister of Public
and I'd like to thank my honourable colleague for the question, because we do like to talk about small business and the things that we are doing to help them. Small business owners and operators tell us that they want and need a robust economy, and we're making investments to ensure that we support that growth. They want consumers, so we've given them the middle tax class cut, the Canadian Child Benefit, the investments in infrastructure, in broadband, in tourism marketing, in incubators and accelerators. The list goes on. All of it, Mr. Speaker, definitely all of it, supports small business and those in that. Thank you.